This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Jessica Richard. This adorable cozy cottage is a must-see. Details like the smell of a wood-burning fire, the peacefulness of the morning light glowing through the windows, the huge 1.5-acre yard perfect for gatherings, or the 4-car garage/workshop perfect for a home business or extra storage are just a few of the characteristics that make this an amazing home. Schedule your showing today before this one is gone. For more information, review the details below or contact Jessica Richard at 865-687-1111.